you guys? So I wanted to share with you some projects that I've been working on. I got inspired by Crafting with Liller. If you guys aren't familiar with her channel, I'm pretty sure you are, but if you aren't, please go check her out and let her know I sent you. She is awesome, very talented woman. She does amazing crafts, also shares projects, hauls, craft with me's. So check her out. I got inspired to do this through that video. I'm gonna leave the link down below and also her channel up here so you guys can check her out. She didn't make it with shaker. I did these two with a shaker and tool. So as you can see, I basically used some paper from my stash, and then this one here is from a paper pad that I picked up recently from Hobby Lobby. And then I also just basically use everything that I have already on hand from friend mail, from things that I've purchased. So real quick, I'll just show you the pink one first. And I added paper clips and all that. It actually has 4 pockets. And if you guys want me to share with you how I created these, just let me know. Maybe I'll just do one quick video with the shaker just so you guys can see how it's done, and maybe I'll do it maybe Easter theme because that's like the next holiday coming up. Let me know in the comments down below. And that's how I created it. So I'm just gonna pull out just real quick. So I just added some die cuts, stickers, so you can see. So there's a pocket there, right there, and then there's another pocket here, and then in there I added these stickers, and I just did a cute little back topper. In here is a little sheet of stickers that I cut up, and then in here is stickers and more stickers, and I might add like 1 or 2 more things to this. And as you can see, so there's one pocket here, one pocket there, another pocket here. You can glue those papers down, but I'll get more into that at a later time. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on it. But like I said, check out Crafting with Liller. She explains and shows everything, and the video is very short. It's like 6 minutes long, so pretty cool. I'm gonna put this in later. This one here, I'm not gonna pull everything out, but I'll just show you how it looks. I added the sequins, and guys, it's pretty simple. You just put the, but I'll show you if you guys want to see. You put the sequins in, well, you put the tool, let it overhang. You leave a little spot, hot glue everything down, and then you put your sequins in and you hot glue it, and then fold it upwards, and then add another cardstock on the back so you can cover up that. So that's how it looks there. Super cute. And then this one here, look how pretty, you guys. Super, super cute. And then, oh, let me show you the back. Yeah. And then this one here. Now, I think I'm going to add a couple of more things to these two. These are pretty packed. But this one and this one, I still have a few more things that I want to add to it. Okay, so the next thing I have made are these cute bows using my envelope punch board, and I will leave that link down below. But like I said, if you guys want to see me create these, just let me know. I really want to start making process videos, tutorials on my crafting. I'm just a little hesitant, and I have to fix my lighting. I have a lot of shadow, and I really don't like the way that looks. But anywho, really quickly, I did these, and I added some bling in the center. Then I made these here, and they're doubled layer bows. And then I put regular circles, like the circle bling. I made these. Now these go with the little loaded pockets that I made. And so cute, right, you guys? And look at this one. So cute. And also they can use the paper that I just packaged. It very simple. I didn't do nothing fancy this time because I feel like the bows and everything else just does it enough. This paper pad, along with these here, and this one in the middle, and this one here, is from the Target Dollar Spot from last year. And I'm trying to use up all that I have so then I can buy new stuff and have the room for new paper pads. Okay, so these are the bowls that I've created. Super cute. They're super addicting, and I had so much fun creating these. So these are gonna go, I'm gonna send them off in Happy Mail. Swap with Irene. I'm gonna leave her name here and her link down below. Go check her out. She is pretty cool. She's a fellow New Yorker, and she also does Dollar Tree hauls, DIY. She's also a crafter, so go check her out. Let her know I sent you. I created this beautiful pocket letter for her. I received her package, but I haven't opened it yet, and She loves kitties and she loves butterflies. So I did 2 shaker pockets here. I put some stickers. I also used these Valentine's Day cards from Dollar Tree, and then some stickers from Dollar Tree. These Be Mine stickers are from Target. These little butterfly thingies, my friend had a baby shower and she was gonna throw them away, and I was like, you are not throwing those away, you're giving them to me. It wasn't that many, so she gave me them, and I decided to make it more Valentine's-y. I mean, no, more butterfly-y, because she likes butterflies and kitties. So did that, added some feathers for some texture, and yeah, add a little shaker sticker there. And the stuff, I haven't put it inside. Sorry for the glare. I haven't put it inside yet. I'm going to put it in now after I'm done recording this video. In over here with a butterfly body, it looks very realistic and a little bit scary. So I decided to cover it up with some bling, which I think it looks better that way anyway. So yeah, so that's my little pocket letter for her. I made these rosettes, guys. Making rosettes are no joke. Like, my hands were cramping up, and I only made these 2. Actually, no, I did a practice one, and that was using 12 by 12 paper, like 12 inches long, and my hands were cramping up. I was like, whoa. Anyway, but the older you get, right? Anywho, so I made these little rosettes. This one here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I put a sheet of pink tulle. Then I got this cute little cutout butterfly from my friend Phone Jones. Then I layered it up with a pink sticker, and then it says hashtag Girl Squad. This one here, I put 2 stickers and I like layered them up. Girl Power hashtag, a feather, and some bling. I was only able to make 2. I wanted to make 4, but my hands were hurting so bad, so I couldn't. Then I just decorated the top. I used this punch. Let me show you. I used this thing that my mom gave me because I don't have a die cutting machine or any dies to like make a fancy thing on the top. So this is as cute as it's gonna get. And I also made some bows. So I've created 4 bows for her. And this one too, she can easily take it out. If the back is ripped a little bit from the bow, that's fine. No one's going to see it. You're going to put it on whatever you're using anyway. But I did use those little glue dots that are temporary. And I put all hearts in the center. And her favorite color is purple. And then since everything is kind of like pinkish purple, I decided to do it pink as well. And like, look how pretty. Oh my god. And then my friend, the girl I told you about that did the baby shower with all these butterflies, she had, when I tell you she must have had 100 of these, she was going to throw them in the garbage. And I said, what's wrong with you? Don't throw them in the garbage. Give them to me. So I took them, and I have a ton of these, you guys. So I'm sending her 10 of them. And you could put goodies inside and stuff like that and send it off to your friend. And plus, they're purple. Matches perfectly. And all she had was purple of these little, I don't know, baggies, and which is fine because purple is one of my favorite colors. And yeah, so I could just share them in friend mail, and also, you know, put some things inside and send it off in friend mail. So Irene, I really hope you like all the goodies that I've created for you. Thank you for contacting me to wanting to swap. I truly appreciate it. I will be getting into that package right now. I'll check you guys on my next video. Bye.